In this tip, we'll see examples for string concatenation and repetition. The plus operator is one of the ways to concatenate two strings. The operands can be any expression that results in a string value. Consider these two sample strings. Let us concatenate these two strings with a space character in between. You can also use format strings for this. So S1 in curly braces space and S2 in curly braces. Let us see another example with plus. This time let us use raw strings. Another way to concatenate is to simply place any kind of string literal next to each other. For example, let us use this again. So you will note there are no operator between these two strings. You can use 0 or more white spaces between such literals, but you cannot mix an expression and a string literal. For example, with the plus operator we can combine expression and a string literal, but we cannot place them next to each other. You will get an exception. One advantage of placing strings next to each other is within parentheses. Now you can continue the string across multiple lines. Next, let us see how we can repeat a string by using the star operator. Suppose you want to print this character 50 times. So instead of using plus 50 times, we can simply multiply the string with 50 as an integer. Let's see another example. This will result in a very popular Wikipedia article. Let me add a space to make it more readable. So look for this particular string in Wikipedia. Hope you enjoyed this tip.